Hello, my dear. Okay, so I decided to do a collective reading kasi maski ako, I'm little bit puzzled, my dear, with the energy na nare-receive ko today. I'm receiving a energy ng isang tao na nagagalit, and kanina ko pa iniisip, bakit siya nagagalit, okay? This is silent na galit, okay? This is a silent na galit, and I want to know also kung marami ba sila, kasi isang energy lang ang nakukuha ko. Okay, so let me see, darling. Let me see why. Why are you mad? Bakit? What is going on? Okay, we have here, it's not working, bitch. Oh, it's not working. I will just get 3 cards lang tayo. 3 cards lang tayo, okay? I can feel na merong ginagawa tong tao na to. Meron siyang ginagawa na something. And I can feel sa'yo. Okay, meron siyang ginagawa something sa'yo, my dear. And it's not working, bitch. No, it's not working. Hindi siya gumagana. And I think medyo puzzle tong tao na to. Bakit hindi gumagana? Naghihintay siya ng result. Actually, yun ang nakukuha ko over. Naghihintay siya ng result. Pero it's not working, okay? Kung ano man yung ginagawa niya, my dear, is a form of distraction para sa'yo. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko dito, my dear. Kung ano man yung ginagawa niya, it's a form of distraction sa area of responsibility mo. We have here, Scorpio na girl. There's a tendency na Scorpio na girl to, my dear, okay? Sabi ko, 3 cards lang to, my dear, okay? Scorpio na girl. Babae, automatic babae. Okay? Let me see. It's not working. Ano na to? Desperada na to. As in, super desperada na tong tao na to. Okay, last card natin over here is Virgo na girl. My dear, they are group. They are group. Grupo to, my dear. Grupo. As in, like, siguro circle of friends or magkakaibigan, my dear. And puro sila girls. Like, hey. But, guess what? Hindi gumagana yung ginagawa ninyo. Okay? Hindi gumagana kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo. It's not working. It's not working. So, hindi siya gumagana. Okay? So, yung collective reading natin ngayon is tungkol sa isang posibleng Scorpio na girl or Virgo na girl na parang they are doing something, okay? They are doing something. Siguro napakaraming effort na talagang ginawa nila, my dear, okay? Talaga siguro lahat ginawa nila, tumbling, split, backward, and hindi siya nag-work. And na-prostrate na sila ngayon. They are so, although nakukuha ko lang yung isang energy, baka energy to ng Scorpio na girl kasi siya yung una na card na lumabas, pero I can feel na medyo marami to sila. Okay? Medyo, siguro more than 1, more than 2, more than 3, ganon. And frustration, okay? Pero yung isa talaga, gigil talaga siya. Siguro siya yung leader, okay? Yun na nakukuha ko over here. Pero it's not working. Bitch.